In this video, I'm going to show you how to discover TikTok accounts. So first, open up your TikTok app, and basically once you're on your For You page, you will see a lot of different accounts with whatever TikTok things you would be interested in. But if you click on the top right on the search, you can type in whatever, and if you see, TikTok already suggests you like what you may like my girl's intro, bounce when she walks, etc. and etc. But if you want to type something like, let's say, food, then you have users, and under users you will see a lot of different accounts that are for food basically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.